American.
The real question is, which is her real
Standard
accent?
British.
The real question is, which is her real accent?
Devonshire.
The real question is, what is her real accent?
German.
The real question is, what is her real accent?
Scottish.
The real question is like, what's her real accent?
Geordie.
The real question is like, what is a real accent?
Brummie.
The real question is, what is a real accent?
Yorkshire.
The real question is, what is a real accent?
Scouse.
The real question is, what's a real accent?
Irish.
The real question is like, what's her real accent?
Russian.
The real question is, what is her real accent?
Cockney.
The real question is, what's a real accent?
South African.
The real question is like, what's a real accent?
Northern Irish.
The real question is, what is her real accent?
New Zealand.
The real question is, what's her real accent?
British RP.
The real question is, what is her real accent?
New York.
The real question is like, what's her real accent?
Australian.
The real question is, what's her real accent?
Welsh.
The real question is, what is a real accent?
French.
The real question is, what is a real accent?
Southern.
The real question here is, what is her real accent?
Jamaican.
The real question is, what is a real accent?
West Country.
The real question is, what's her real accent?
Spanish.
The real question is, what is her real accent?
Canadian.
The real question is, what is her real accent?
Dutch.
The real question is, what is her real accent? I just don't know what the accent is. It's driving me crazy.